This is the affidavit of Mr. Sudhin Dablikar submitted to the Election Commission during 2012 elections. In this, his educational qualifications are listed as SSC in the year 1975 from Almeida High School, Ponda, and BSc in 1980 from Parvati Chogule College, Margao, affiliated to Bombay University. The next day, after our allegation, Mr. Dablikar released this document claiming that this was his degree from 1978. You can obviously see that in his affidavit he has said 1980. In this, he has produced a document saying that this is his degree from 1978. So these are the two documents that are in conflict with each other. Secondly, we have got information from Chogule College in Margao. This is a list of students who have passed University of Bombay BSc examination in April 1980. According to Mr. Dablikar's affidavit, he passed in 1980 the BSc degree from Chogule College. This is the information from Chogule College about the list of students that have passed in 1980. Mr. Dablikar's name is not on this list. April 78. We have a list of students who passed University of Bombay third year BSc April 1978 from Chogule College. Mr. Dablikar's name is nowhere on this list as well. So again, this is in conflict with his own degree that he has released. One is from April 1979. These are University of Bombay mark sheets. This has Mr. Dablikar's name on it. Mr. Dablikar Ramkrishna Madhav. He has failed of 1979. He has failed. Yeah, 1979.
There is general list of the mark sheet. All students. Everybody is all students.
There is another examination held October 1979.
Again he reacted.
Again, Mr. Dablikar reappeared and failed. So I think it is time that the Chief Minister fire this person, and basically he has to get the facts out to the open and have an impartial, independent investigation under the High Court on this issue, because it's a very serious issue of forgery of documents potentially, and definitely false information on a affidavit submitted to a public servant.
गवर्नमेंट चाहती ही नहीं कि उनके ऊपर कोई एक्शन हो, लेकिन यदि गवर्नमेंट एक्शन नहीं लेगी तो हम कोर्ट में जाएंगे। साथ में कोर्ट तो है हमारे साथ, तो हम पब्लिक है हमारे साथ, लीगल है हम, तो हम हमारे दो मेथड है, एक है जनता और दूसरा है न्यायपालिका, तो हम दोनों के पास जाएंगे।